Hello students, good morning to all. Today's session we are going to discuss about some of the branches of biology and phobias. There is a different types of the phobias in the persons and different types of common abbreviations generally using in biology. So let us start. So first one, branches of biology, anatomy, anatomy inner structure of organism, study of inner structure of organism is called anatomy. So earlier three different branches were discussed, that is zoology, botany and microbiology. Zoology, study of animals; botany, study of plants; and microorganisms, study of there is micro small organisms which is causes infection to the human body, right? So anatomy, inner structure of organism, study of inner structure of organism. Ecology, interrelation between organism with their habitat. The organisms lives in different types of the environments. Some of the organisms are lives in water, some of the organisms are lives in the region of undergrounds. So in the water also, aquatic also, there is in freshwater and marine water. So the organisms, interrelation between organisms with their habitat. What type of the habitat, what type of the environment that organisms are lives. That explains by ecology. Ethology, next one, ethology. Animal behavior in natural environments. That is called ethology. Ethology, animal behavior in natural environments. In the natural environment, what type of the animal exhibits different types of the behaviors. That is called ethology. Next one, evolution. Evolution means changes in organisms slowly during long time exhibits new species, formation of new species. Evolution, changes in organisms slowly, the gradual changes which leads new species in the span of long time. In 10th class, you had already studied the basic concepts of evolution, right? Okay, next one, cytology. The cell structure and function. The study of cell structure and function is called cytology. Next one, genetics. The process of inheriting qualities in organisms. Genetics. The process of inheriting qualities in organisms. So genetics also you had studied in the class 10th. So there is different types of heredity and variations. So the characters which is passes from parents to offsprings. So that is hereditary and variations, the process of inheriting qualities in organisms. That is genetics, explained by the genetics. Histology, the structure of tissue of organisms. The study of tissues in the organism, the group of cells called tissues. The structure of tissue in the organism is called histology. Next, physiology. So internal workings of organisms. There is different types of physiological functions or takes place. For example, digestion, respiration, circulation. Those are all called physiology. So how the digestion is takes place, what is the physiological process, what is the physiological functions, that should be explained by physiology. Histology and physiology, these two related to class 11. In histology, animal tissues we are going to discuss about, and the physiology, the human physiology chapters also there, seven chapters also there in class 11. Okay, right. Ornithology, you know this word, ornithology, study of birds. The study of birds is called ornithology. Okay, right. So these are different types of the branches in the biology, some of the most important branches. So many branches are there, some of the most important branches we discussed, right? Next one, different types of the phobias in the humans. Phobias. The humans are fearing phobias by different types of the objects, different types of the aspects and parameters. So phobia, some of the phobias we need to discuss. Okay. Acrophobia. Acrophobia means Phobia of heights. Phobia of height. Some persons going to the high places. From there they will see. So they have the feeling of phobia, fear. That is called acrophobia, heights. Next one, autophobia. Autophobia means being alone. Auto means self, being alone. Somebody always with trying to uh, get with, trying to live with some of the other persons only. Some are interesting, live only alone also. But being alone, whenever they have alone, at that time they have a phobia. That is called autophobia. Next one, bibelophobia. Bibelophobia. Phobia of books. Bibelophobia means phobia of books. When I open books, they will have get fear, right? Okay. Next one, demophobia. Demophobia means phobia of crowds. Being alone is one phobia. They are mingled with some other people. They have to live, and crowds. Whenever they are entering the crowds, so many crowds, thousands of the crowds, hundreds of the crowds are there. They have a fear. That is called demophobia. Next one, xenophobia. Xenophobia means phobia of sex, either males or females. That is xenophobia. And gynophobia. Gynophobia means phobia of women. Who will not fear about women? Phobia of women, right? Next one, hemophobia. Hemophobia means phobia of blood. Some people have a hemophobia, phobia of blood. But those who are preparing for NEET examination, those who want to become a doctors, they didn't get this phobia, hemophobia, right? Okay, next one. Xenophobia. Xenophobia means stranger. Phobia with stranger. That phobia is called xenophobia. Okay, stranger, new person. So these are different types of the phobias. So some of the important we discuss. There's so many phobias are there, like phobia of water, hydrophobia, right? Okay. Next one, some of the abbreviations commonly uses in the biology. So ADP and ATP. So we know that adenosine diphosphate (ADP) and ATP adenosine triphosphate. ADP adenosine diphosphate and ATP adenosine triphosphate. Right. ANS, autonomic nervous system, one of the branch of uh, one of the branch in our nervous system, that is autonomic nervous system. ANS, autonomic nervous system. Next, CSF, cerebrospinal fluid. CSF, cerebrospinal fluid, presented in the region of brain and spinal cord. Cerebrospinal fluid. Next one, F1, first filial generation. F1, first failure generation. So this word also you had studied in class 10th in the genetics. So F1 generation, F2 generation in Mendel experiments, right? RQ, respiratory quotient. RQ, respiratory quotient. BOD, biological oxygen demand. BOD, biological oxygen demand. So BOD will discuss in class 12. So second PUC will discuss BOD in environmental studies chapter. BMR, basal metabolic rate. BMR, basal metabolic rate. So it is depend upon human weight and the height of the person. The BMR will calculate basal metabolic rate. Okay, these are different types of the concepts of branches of biology and phobias and abbreviations, right? So in next class we are going to start animal tissues, the types of animal tissues, what is tissue, the types of animal tissues, location, structure, and with examples. Okay, thank you very much. Bye bye.